I'm competing, I just kind of get in the zone and nothing can touch me.
My teacher said I should enter. He reckons I'll be teaching him soon.
It's a win-win scenario. I can put this experience on my CV and I'm learning all the time.
WorldSkills UK competitions are a portfolio of skills competitions run throughout the UK. We hold heats for these competitions, and those successful at the heats progress through to a UK final in their skill area.
I entered an online test competition and I had high marks in it, and I had an email following that congratulating me saying, well done, you had high marks, and invite me to a regional competition. So went to the regional, thought it was a day off work or anything, and I came first in the regional and then sort of realised what it meant, what it was leading to. So when I looked into it and I thought, oh, I thought I'd better knuckle down now.
I'm clear that there are business benefits to becoming involved in competitions. These include the raising of the profile of your organisation on a national and international stage, and indeed some funding opportunities which we've managed to achieve through our involvement in competitions. But most importantly, I think it's a way of raising the performance of both the students, the staff, who of course are in my college, are delighted and excited to be involved in competitions, and ultimately therefore of your organisation.
I was just a shop girl, and I always dabbled in visual merchandising with Rachel, but nobody had ever kind of said you can do that. So when she actually offered the chance, I was like jumping at it. I was like, yes, I will do that, yes, yes, yes.
In keeping with the main routes into employment, competitors come through an apprenticeship route. They may come through further education or higher education, or be training in the employment arena.
The category was mobile robotics, and we had to program either the NXT or the Robotino to do certain various tasks. And we had to learn it from scratch, so it was a bit difficult, not knowing at all what her capabilities were or anything like that. But it was a lot of fun. Kit was first introduced to us by our tutors. He just sort of mentioned if we knew about WorldSkills and told us to Google it, get some research on it.
We sort of sow the seeds of enthusiasm at an early stage. We have some wonderful tutors who are really enthusiastic and who are very, very high quality trainers who push the competition opportunities.
WorldSkills UK competitions can lead to an international WorldSkills competition. So top scoring national finalists who are within the age criteria and reach the correct standard may be invited onto a shortlist for an international WorldSkills competition.
It's really boosted my confidence. Even my mates have noticed.
If you're good enough, you can get picked for the national finals. If you're really good, you can go to the WorldSkills finals. If you're the best, you can win a gold medal.
I mean, how many people can say they've represented their country?
A WorldSkills international competition happens every 2 years, and this is where 50 different countries across the world come together and compete in 40 different skill areas. This is an intense 4-day competition under the scrutiny of judges, and the competitors are competing against tough international standards, and the pressure is really on with people watching them every step of the way.
The amount of training and the amount of development and just really resources that they put into you as a person, as a competitor, it puts you on a platform to do anything. Because of this, I was at every competition I've entered this year. I've been in a great position to be able to win it, such as Chelsea Flower Show, where I won a Best in Show. Also the Interflora Florist of the Future competition, which looked for the best new talent out of all Interflora florists. All these competitions I've been looking to win because of really the resources and the training that have happened.
WorldSkills UK has added something extra to my CV and things like that. I love talking about it and the experience that I've gained, and it's a good starting point when I go to interviews, as I'm still in university at the moment.
I'm very proud.
Yeah, it's quite cool just saying yes, we're the best at mobile robotics in the UK.
A gold. It's like if you say the title, it's like, oh, UK finalist gold medal. It's a good thing to boast about.
Now I'm a senior stylist where I work. and my clients love to hear that you're an award-winning stylist. So I think it's boosted my clientele, and it's put me on a mark in my industry as well.
Obviously we've got transferable skills. The judges commented on how well we work together as a team and distributed the tasks to our strengths. And obviously employers can see that we've got working practical knowledge of that we can use in any job. So I think it's probably made us more employable.
It's been fantastic for the morale in the company, for me to take on new apprentices and tell them this is where you can be if you just put your mind to it. It's available to everybody, and obviously it brings our company into focus within the local area, so obviously helps business for us, but also puts I suppose a spotlight on our industry, that it's not dead and buried with the recession, that there are things still going on.
It pushes your skill level. You learn what are called soft skills in some cases, so you learn how to talk to people. I mean, if you'd asked me to do this interview before I'd entered a national competition, you wouldn't have been seeing me, I would have been running away. But now I'm quite happy to talk to people about WorldSkills, talk to people about myself, and it's just complete professional development, and it's really changed my life.
I've gained more confidence in what I do. I'm more confident when it comes to approaching people and actually doing stuff next to people. Because before I went to the competition, I used to be a shy person. And since I've done it, I've met new people down there, made a couple of new friends. So yeah, it's changed me a lot, 180 degrees, that's what it changed me for. So I'm a different person now.
To enter a WorldSkills UK competition, go to the WorldSkills UK website, select the competition you're interested in and get involved.
Oh, I'd encourage everyone to take part. It's you go to a different part of the country, you meet loads of new people, you work under pressure, you learn so much and meet so many important people in the industry that's just invaluable. So it's really good.
If you are studying, working, or know of a talented, ambitious person who would jump at the chance to compete, why not find out more?
Do it. 100% do it. You've got absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain.
Today Watford, tomorrow the world. The standards are really high. You've got to be at the top of your game. But you've got to be in it to win it.
Go on, get involved!